Let's see how to fix YouTube video playing error in Chrome. Step 1. Check internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi router's connection. Then restart your router. Step 2. Delete browsing data. Step 3. If VPN is on, turn it off. Step 4. Disable extensions. Sometimes, it's just a temporary glitch. Press Ctrl+R or click the refresh button. Hopefully from now on you will be able to watch videos well on YouTube.